ClearTax Invest Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to ClearTax Invest are in the description if you want to check it out. ClearTax Invest is a robo-advisory platform designed for individuals looking for a simplified, tax-efficient way to invest in mutual funds and tax-saving instruments like ELSS, Equity-Linked Savings Scheme. It primarily caters to salaried professionals and investors focused on wealth creation while optimizing tax savings. The platform provides hand-picked mutual fund recommendations based on users' risk appetite, financial goals, and investment horizon. One of its standout features is automated goal-based investing, allowing users to set financial targets such as retirement planning, child education, or tax savings. The ELSS investment feature is particularly beneficial for those looking to maximize Section 80C deductions while earning equity-linked returns. ClearTax Invest also offers direct mutual fund investments, eliminating commissions and ensuring better returns. The platform supports SIP and lump sum investments, providing flexibility in portfolio management. Additionally, its tax-saving calculator helps users plan their investments efficiently, making it a preferred choice for tax-conscious investors. The strengths of ClearTax Invest include its intuitive and easy-to-use interface, personalized fund recommendations, and strong focus on tax-efficient investing. The platform simplifies the process of selecting high-performing mutual funds, making it ideal for beginners. It also provides insights on fund performance and market trends, enabling informed decision-making. However, there are some drawbacks. Unlike fully automated robo-advisors, ClearTax Invest does not offer features like auto-rebalancing or AI-driven portfolio management, requiring users to monitor and adjust their investments manually. It also lacks stock trading, international investment options, and dedicated financial advisor support, which might limit its appeal for advanced investors seeking a broader range of assets. In conclusion, ClearTax Invest is an excellent choice for investors looking for a tax-efficient, goal-based investment platform with direct mutual fund options. Its ELSS and tax planning tools make it especially beneficial for salaried professionals aiming to save on taxes while growing wealth. If you're looking for a simple, cost-effective investment solution, ClearTax Invest is worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, like and subscribe for more expert insights on investment tools.